All right, what is up, YouTube? And we have no latency. All right, cool. What is up, YouTube? Today is Monday, March 11th. It is currently 9:30. So I believe we're going to start making these videos at 9:30, which are the times that I would be trading in the market. And the reasoning behind that is, like I said, it's because I'll be trading in the market at that time. So this is the most realistic time frame you're going to get out of me. Now, hold up. I just deleted. I believe. What's this fair value? With this mug. All right, cool. It looks like we're kind of sandwiched in between two mugs right here. Not going to lie to you, buddy. We could bring this here. If we moved it, we'd have to move it like right there. We could make this one. All right. So, as you guys can see, I haven't touched the chart since we last caught up. And yeah, my predictions were right, but instead of us getting pump faked and going up, we got pump faked and just went completely down. So that was the first incorrect prediction I think I've made in a while. But hey, that's how trading is, man. You'll never be 100% right, ever. So, hey, we're about to see what's about to happen right here. Let's get a prediction on this. So none of this means anything right now. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, it looks like we had a breakage structure, or not a breakage structure, but a 15-minute breakout to the downside. So it looks like we're going to be tapping into this zone right here, this red zone right here. Let's go ahead and mark that out real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But you guys should already know. We talked about this earlier. So you can see right here, that 15-minute candle, boom, broke down. Full body close, by the way. So we will be having movement to the downside. Most likely. Let me say it like that. Because you saw what happened that was last week, Friday. Up. And then I think we had news around 10. Yeah. There is no news today. So the chances of market following with this 15-minute breakout is very likely. We're looking for the retrace into this wick right here, which it looks like we're already doing. So I'd be chilling right about now. And this is about the time that I'd take a trade. Once we hit, let me mark that out as well. And if you guys couldn't notice, I am slightly sick. So you might hear me sniffling every once in a while. It's because I'm trying to breathe. But we're trying to tap into this. I'm not even going to really, yeah, let me do it anyways. Right here. And it looks like, yeah, we're literally going straight into it. I would take my trade once we close above this. Not close above it, but once we get up in there. And then I'm going to wait for a 15-minute break structure. Because I believe if we look at the 5-minute break structure, we should see something somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, so a 5-minute break structure was formed. All right, like a carnival. All right, sweet. And like I was saying, you could see this imbalance right here. And we just need to tap back into that to clear that out. But we're looking at my prediction for the week. Well, we had some CPI. Okay, so I'm looking at around right here on these imbalances. Oh, this is what the hell did I just do? Anyways, wait, hitting spacebar. Oh no, that takes me to Nasdaq. Okay, I was about to say there's no way hitting the spacebar clears your entire screen because I should have been known about that. But anyways, yeah, weekly predictions. I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this so I can post it on Instagram later. I'm saying like right around here. Yeah. Yeah. Because we need to start seeking this liquidity right here. This is very old liquidity that we haven't seeked yet. So yeah, we need to get all of that. I don't think we're going to touch into this though. Most likely not, but we will clear through this. Uh, I'd take that quick screenshot. That's weekly predictions. What am I looking at for daily predictions on our live? If we get a 15, okay. So for those people that do follow these trades, I'm saying this as specific as possible. If we do get a 15-minute break of structure on this, that's when you enter. For me to enter, I need to see liquidity being sought after, 5-minute break of structure, 15-minute breakout, and a 15-minute break structure. I don't know if I said that. 5, 15, 15 breakout, and liquidity being sought after with no news to very low news. If I see more than 2 folders, I'm not really inclined to take that trade. I'm not going to lie. So this is a perfect day right here. And I most likely would have taken a trade today if my account wasn't, you know, doing what it's doing and having all these funded problems, man. I don't even know what's going on right now. But I need to check up on that after the fact. So let's see what market does here. Like I said, we'd probably enter around like this. Maybe. No, I'd probably move this to here. Yeah, something like that. All right, shoot. And the hourly, what are we looking like? And we're already bouncing within this 1 hour right here. Now, something I didn't tell you guys, I don't remember telling you guys, is if we have an imbalance right around in this area or high liquidity that hasn't been sought after or anything like this counts too. Stuff like that, stuff like this, stuff like that. Price will bounce around in that exact same area for a long time. So don't expect price to just like out of nowhere completely fall out of it unless it's creating a new one of these. That's something I've noticed recently. So you can see right here, if we mark this from here to here and here up, price will retrace into this point multiple times before another one is formed and another one and another one. So you can see price bounce, 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 goes up, we make a new one. So we delete this, come back right here. And what does price do? Bounces in between these two, really. It bounces up and down in between them. Pause. So you can see tab, boom, tab, boom. Come here, creates a new one. What happens with this one? Tab, tab, tab. But we made another one right here. So what's going to happen? Tap, tap, creating a new one. We're going to create a new one, or we're going to continue this, and we're probably going to bounce in and bounce back out. But that's just a hunch, just a theory, a film theory. So let's see what we're working with right here. Oh yeah, perfect. We're doing exactly as I thought. I'm really looking for a breaking structure on the bottom side right here. And this chart is getting very messy really quickly. If we see a 5-minute break structure, that'd be so beautiful right now. I willn't lie to you. But back to the hourly. I forgot what I was about to do here. Oh yeah, refine these. Yeah, those look about right. Yeah, I'm so tired. My body is just not up to it right now, I'm not gonna lie. Daily, we're looking bearish. Sweet. Magnificent. There's really not a lot to talk about right now. Yeah, there's really not a lot to do or say right now. We just have to wait for price to develop. Which prices already began to develop. Oh my gosh, I almost pulled a cramp in my arm. But anyways, yeah, price is already developing. But I'm looking for a big move here. We've got until 11 a.m. for some big crap to happen. I don't know. We're playing hokey pokey right now or something. Mm. 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 Now, what I'm wondering is this kind of like the MOG, where as price touches it, it shrinks? Because if that's the case, it can't be. Yeah, it can't be. Because price still would have tapped into it here, 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 here. Even if I were to delete it. I don't know, bro. I'm learning when you guys learn, so shoot. I'm just brainstorming right now. All right, sweet. I'm gonna move this back down. I genuinely think that's it for today. Not gonna lie. Because, like I said, we're just waiting for price to develop here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll save this portion of the video, come back in about 2 hours, and we'll make an analysis off of that too. Because I don't want to just have you guys waiting here with me dead silent because I don't have much to talk about right now. I'd like to keep it as simple as possible. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next few hours. Noose. Put 'em on the noose. Anyways, what's goody gremlins? We have returned. I don't want to show my nip. But anyways, as you guys can see, this is a prime example of why I don't trade on Mondays. Prime example. Market really does not know what it's doing with its life. And we made a video on this recently of me saying it's like a middle-aged dude that has no like trajectory at all. He's just walking wanderlessly. I don't know if that's a word, but he's walking aimlessly. Let's look at this right here, right? It's 142, market's about to close soon. Whatever. We go to 8:30 right here. Cool, we had a down breakout. What the holy consolidation, bro. Now, if you guys remember, I said I wouldn't have traded unless I saw a break of structure on that 15 and 5-minute. We look over here. No break of structure. No break of structure. No break of structure. No break of structure. So I wouldn't have taken this trade regardless. L trade today. L trade. Market just heavily consolidated. Let's go to the 5-minute real quick. Look at this. That's as straight of a line as you're gonna get, man. Does I don't I genuinely don't know what to say. That is like the straightest of the lines. Look at that, bro. No breaks of structure, no trend anywhere. Just setting us up for failure, man. Monday setups is a real thing. As you can see, though, we did stay within this 1 hour fair value gap that I told you guys about. So I did tell y'all price was going to move within here, most likely seeking out, and it did exactly that. It seeked out this MOG right here. So we could delete that one. And it's almost fully seeked this MOG right here, which was also something that I did say was going to possibly happen. I'm glad to see that's happening. If you guys are also wondering why I have my shirt off, it's because I'm trying this right here. Let's see if y'all can see that. Vapor Rub. Now, I was recommended this through a friend, but I have to keep my shirt off so I can rub that glaze all over my chest, man. I also got me some electrolytes, you already know. And you already know I'm not sponsored, but Helmex, hit me up, bro. Please. I want a sponsorship. So that's it for today. That's really it. We looked at chart, put my predictions down, told y'all what I would have done, and we just stuck in heavy consolidation today. Just for price for tomorrow to touch into this MOG. That's my prediction. It's not even really a prediction. I almost know it's gonna happen, but like I said, nothing is ever 100%. So whatever. But I'll let price do its thing. I'll let this chart keep going. Like I said, I believe, which we already are basically, we're going to capture this MOG right here, and we're going to take it out of existence. And then after we capture the MOG, tomorrow we're most likely going to seek this MOG. Yeah. We're just trying to fill this imbalance right here so we can seek this imbalance. Yeah. I think we're probably going to start around price here tomorrow. Unless market does some weird crap, like some rinky dinky weird stuff, and starts high up here to this high, just so it can collapse back down into here. I know anywhere within this white box is where price will start at, though, for sure. Or a little higher or a little lower. I know that for a fact. But anyways, love you guys. I'll check you tomorrow for the analysis on the chart. I'm starting to do my daily analysis and weekly analysis on here, as well as my live predictions. And then I'll post those on Instagram later in the day. Maybe, I don't know. You feel me? So another thing is about my day trading account. Currently, it is being traded, or not traded, but transferred over to, I think it's MetaTrade or something. No, it's not MetaTrader. It's some weird trading thing that I've never heard of in my life before. But the one benefit is that my drawdown that I was in, which I was in like 7K of drawdown, will be erased. So I get a clean slate. I'll take it. I'll take it. I just had to learn a whole new system. But other than that, yeah, I'll check you guys later, man. Peace.